interesting one. They've never met each other before on the international stage, but they have in the league. We will talk about that in table tennis and just in life, especially when you're having so much fun watching this level. Zeljko to begin.
Love 1.
Nice serve.
Love 1.
Medium. But I think that had top spin on it. Had to see it on the slow-mo to read that.
2-1.
Really
1-3.
nice compact forehand. Perfect length on the serve, and then that set him up nicely. Oh, he would have liked to have made that one. Float serve.
5-1.
Walther has little to no issue. Didn't execute it as he'd hoped to.
6-1. 2-6.
Amazing from Zeljko. Whirlwind, the way he pivoted there. Just a blur. So physical, that forehand knockout.
6-4.
I like him.
Left. 6-4.
Awesome from Walther. What a backhand that was to set it up.
Five, 7.
Side spin and back spin that time. Well, ram it, but harder to receive than it looked. Barely denied, to be fair, just back. Solid base, very balanced. Wow.
8.
Fantastic receive. Short and snappy with that flick. Perfect length as well. This is a lion's heart performance.
10.
Walther just seems a bit... He's done it.
7.
He has the under. He has to find a better response to these serves. It's been
11-1.
looks a bit. Oh, looking there. Not put a foot wrong so far. Germany topped Group A. Croatia topped Group E.
3 left.
Beaten, but this could be his first loss if he's not careful.
One, 3.
Just lofted that push through. Bit lukewarm, and that's not hot enough at this level. Walther tears through it. Neat, just creating a cave with his body and transferring nicely. See it again there after he sets it up nicely with 5. Good shot selection from Ricardo Walther there.
Three, 4.
It was a hard push, but waits there. Zeljko balls like a lion, doesn't he?
5-4.
Great serve with that shovel. Does it again. Tried to go for the round the net there, the German. Great angle from the Croatian. Nice use of the wrist just to... Ooh, we might have sent Walther the wrong way there.
7-5.
Misses. Excellent reloop there. Whoa, that's the best backhand he's hit all match. Look at this on the slow-mo. Probably still looks fast on this. Wow.
Seven. 8-8.
Oh, he tried a chop. The composure, that one down the line really got him on the front foot. The Zeljko, that beautiful spinny. Oh, it drifted just long enough. Very, very solid mentally, the Croatian. Good game.
That's 10-8. 11-8.
3, 2-0 up.
1-11.
Awesome serve. Just deep and quick as well. Horrible serve to try and return. Walther trying the backhand serve from the forehand. It's played pretty potent here in game 3. Surprising scoreline.
4 left. Left. 4 left.
Wow.
5 left.
Just feel every ounce of energy being exerted from Filip Zeljko. Across the body with that one, a seatbelt shot.
Left 6.
He is. So good.
6.
It's better there off the... Amazing point, wow.
6-2.
I was impressed with the receive.
6-3.
Bit of fortune for Walther. Just took that one a little bit late. But he knew that Walther was waiting at the baseline, so just dropped it a little bit shorter there. Clever play and good peripheral.
Left 3-7.
Very, very spinny chop block. Pull many of them out.
8-4.
Just looks like he wants it a lot more. That was...
5-9. 6-9.
Zeljko's read it well with the flip. But he just had an answer to every formula at him here. He is sitting pretty to take this.
10-7.
Drop the bat slightly there. He's done it. He is there, but he wanted it more than Walther. And he let it ring through the hole there.
Film, analyze, win. That's the game. Your results will clearly improve when you start filming your game and analyzing it from outside. Now analysis takes much less time thanks to Better Play's artificial intelligence.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.